Prizm 2984, let's go. We're going to randomize this. Oh my god, this break 5 times. Whoever's on top of the end, person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom, person spot 30. Let's go. 1, 2. The first spot for this break was bought back in May.
What break is it?
Just a Prizm baseball break. It's not even the oldest one. It's, in fact, it's one of the later ones. Dodgers on top, and the Sox on bottom. That's 5 times. Oh my god. 5 times. Let's do it. Let's get rid of randomizer. Here we go. He was also a singer-songwriter in the 60s. I didn't know that. I'm learning so much about Old Man Torino. Clint Eastwood. Except the thing I really want to know. What do you reckon, Toby? You seen Gran Torino? Yeah. What do you think of it?
Great. Acting was really good.
Oh, so,
Acting.
oh, you're just saying he's acting. Hey, Siri, does Clint Eastwood really Does he really hate that word he said? Didn't he direct it? It's like when, like, disgusting comedians book themselves to get with the best girl. Like, To be fair, I'd do it. But if I made it big. And then my character holds hands with Madeleine Petch. There, see? Here we go. Espinal, Trammell, Six Sanchez, Olivares, Kirilov, Nelson Cruz, Fearless, Derek Hill, a lime green of Francisco Lindor, number to 125, Fearless for New York, and a red, Logan Gilbert, big Logill, and championship stage, Justin Turner for the Dodgers. That is true. There's never been more racist one-liners in a single movie. Except maybe American History X. Kalina, Tejeda, McKenzie, Contreras, Gonzalez, Illumination Trey Turner, Christian Javier, Mike Schmidt, number to 48 to 75, or To Kill a Mockingbird. Bo Bichette and Fireworks of Fernando Tatis. You ever watched To Kill a Mockingbird or read it?
I have neither.
That explains a lot. Wyatt Matheson. Oviedo. Stevenson. A Juan Soto stained glass. Josh Donaldson. Red of Wyatt Matheson. I can't even read at this point. 102 of 159. Ooh, Tabby, it's past 7 o'clock. You know what that means. Illumination, Freddie Freeman. Aaron Judge. Well, same. Ian Anderson. Andre Scrub. Braxton Garrett. Ha-Seong Kim. Illumination, Louis Robert. Mookie Betts. And for Miami, a little bit of Trevor Rogers rookie autographs. Now it means that it's time for redemption, Tabby. TikTok top 10, baby. Silver, Andres Jimenez, and that is pretty off-center. Silver, Lumberink of Aaron Judge. That is relatively off-center. It is a minuscule amount off-center. Just a tiny bit off-center. Tabby? Just
a little bit off-center, just a little.
Just a little. This product was actually going pretty good until then. Mercedes, Medina, Akin. Rookie of Moniak, rookie of Sanchez, Madrigal included, 6 to Sanchez, Joey Votto. Illumination Blue of Joey Bart, and Sluggers of Georgie Springer. Dale, make sure my AFL cherry pie is hot tomorrow. I'm going to stomp on yours, Maggie. Just hit it with the old elbow drop. Marquez, Zach McKinstry, Lewin Diaz. Josh Bell, Xander Bogaerts, and oh, the Lava Boy of Jose Abreu for Chicago. The Lava case hit. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the floor, hit an elbow drop from the top. Jake Woodford and Joe Adele rookie. Tabby, make sure Maggie gets a bad cherry pie. In fact, make a bad one just for Maggie. We'll get Jaden Stevenson to sign and say Maggie sucks or something. Hey Maggie, I left because of you. Camposano, Howard, Kellenick, Ryan Mountcastle, and someone bet me I wouldn't. Old school Bob Gibson, Louis Castillo. You like that one? Jonathan India, orange. That is numbered 100 of 100. Tell you what, the piss yellow looking a little bit less piss yellow. Like, look at that. That just looks normal orange.
Oh, yeah?
Why is that? Ozzie Smith and Nick Madrigal. When's fight night? Still no one signed up for it. Esteban Florio. Paredes. Kohei Arihara, Blankenhorn. I think I added it towards the end. Joe Gallo, Pedro Martinez, Blue Mojo of Cal Ripken. Red of Justin Verlander and Ryan Mountcastle. Do you reckon you could take Maggie? I need to drink more water. Stevia, Jonathan India. Mine looks like the orange wave, number to 60 from Prizm Hobby. Chisholm, Abrio, Harrison. Real shiny. Johnny Bench. Maggie's just gone after everyone in the chat. Brady Singer. Rookie autographs. Oh, no. I've called at least once, I've called every single Cherry employee out for a fight. Adonis Medina Silva and Miguel Amaya. And so my idea is that I just run through them. You know, starting at Tabby, make my way through Damo. Dale next. Then I'll take out Grayson because I want a bit of energy to take him on. And then I think Wiggy, I'd be able to outpower. I think he'd be able to get down on my center of gravity, so that's him done. Dalton Jeffries, Lynch, Laker would be the hard one. Cody Whitley, Andres Jimenez, Rafael Devers, Dustin May. A auto of DV Garcia, rookie. Silver, Yerman Mercedes. Nah, just physical fights. Sluggers, AJ Pollock. Jared Oliva, Ryan Castellani. In fact, actually, young Dylan Tab over here fancies himself a bit of a rapper. We were going to rap battle as well for charity, does Cameron. But he's afraid he'll say something exceptionally offensive. Mookie Betts. Tony Gwynn. A blue, Andre Scrub. And championship stage of Clayton Kershaw. And so, as someone who knows him, when he gets a little bit hype, I too could see that. Trevor Larmack. In fact, this one time at my house, Pavin Smith, Jorge Guzman, Jose Marmoleos. Very traumatic times. Luis Patino. This is pre-Bentley era. Christian Yelich. Shane McClanahan. Blue, Braylon Marquez. We were all talking about who a dog was. Stargazing, Garrett Cole. And he said the dog's over there in the corner. And I thought he was talking about me. I'm like, I'm going to come and slap him down. Then I realized he wasn't talking about me. He was talking about the urn behind me, Logan Gilbert, Chris Bubich, where Brooks' dog ashes are. Brady Singer, Josh Bell. And for Miami, Monty Harrison. Fun story. Lasamedo Silva and Louis Robert Firewood. Magnus just gone after QQ for some reason. Trevor Rogers, Ryan Jeffers, Keep It Rees, Marchand. Old School Koufax, Dalton Vacheau. And to 149, Lewin Diaz. Rookie autographs, blue for Miami. Silver, Jared Kalenic. And Jose Abreu. I've seen that. There's like a comedy one as well, isn't there, Bailey? Clark Schmidt. Evan White. Old School Bob Gibson, Louis Castillo. Cody Whitley, blue. Christian Pache, rookie class. I love the comedy one. So much fun. Garrett Crochet. Andy Young. But no, I think we'll be playing Jackbox this week sometime. Garrett Cole, Fearless. Hyunjin Ryu. Blue, Sammy Sosa. Stargazing, Jose Abreu. Louis Garcia. Espinal. Mateo. Oh, blue scope. First time I've seen that, actually. Jose Ramirez, Kobe Puckett. Blue scope of Pete Alonso illumination. What's blue scope? Number 2. Number 22 of 35. Real short print. And a red Dalton Varsho in Anderson rookie class. Maggie, you literally asked for that. You bullied first. Justin Turner, Eli Jimenez, Albert Pujols. Joey Bart, Jonah Heim, Jake Woodford. Sheridan Apostle. Fearless of Raf Devers, Dustin May. Blue Mojo of Gleyber Torres. A red of Brian Hayes. Nice rookie there for Pittsburgh, Jazz Chisholm. Victor Gonzalez, Jose Garcia. Brent Rooker. It's a Jackbox game. Mookie Betts, Tony Gwynn. Nice. Christian Pache rookie auto for the Atlanta Braves. Silver, Daniel Johnson. And Sluggers, Charlie Blackmon. Well, he's got all of those, so we'll just have a big Jackbox night. Kyle Cody, Brendan Bielak, Mitchell White, Christian Yelich, Shane McClanahan, and orange, Jorge Guzman. Number 66 of 100. A red, Daniel Johnson, Dylan Carlson. This battle between Maggie and QQ. You need to settle down, Maggie. Urias. Tanner Hook. David Peterson. Alec Boehm. Drew Rasmussen. You're acting like you could be 14 years old. Illumination, Joe Adele. Salvador Perez. Blue, Kettle Marte. And Sluggers of Dominic Smith. Blake Snell. Alex Manoah. Tucker Davidson. Will Crow. Will Crow could be a tier 3. Tier 2. Will Crow. Christian Javier. A blue. You have a Mercedes. Oscar Colas. So Maggie's hopping a little bit. Bailey said, everyone leave Maggie alone. He's my friend now. And Maggie did the little root finger. Ryan Weathers. Oh, this next card is real nice. Brian Hayes. Leody Taveras. Daniel Johnson. Jose Altuve. Michael Brantley. Snakeskin for New York of Garrett Cole. Numbered 49 of 50. Very nice. The gold snakeskin. Beautiful card. Red, Raf Devers, and championship stage of Cody Bellinger. He's I don't know what his damage is tonight. Louis Garcia, Andrew Vaughn, Divi Garcia, Bobby Dalbeck, Taylor Jones, Louis Robert, Mookie Betts. Red Mojo, nice for Atlanta. Christian Pache. Good night, Mag, Tristan McKenzie, Marcelo Zuna. I don't know what's happened here. Alrighty, here we go. Gonzalez, Garcia, Urias, Jonathan Vieto, Stevenson, Moniak, a Mookie Betts stained glass, Tony Gwynn, blue of Hyunjin Ryu. That is number 2199. Red of Anoli Paredes, Alec Boehm. Alright, just sent him a message just to fire him up a little bit more. Alec Manoah. Fleming, Bieber, Schmidt, Christian Yelich, Fearless, rookie of McClanahan, Nelson Cruz, a bit more piss yellowy this time, numbered 70 of 100, red, Nick Madrigal, and Charlie Blackmon Sluggers. Tucker Davidson. Louis Garcia, Nate Pearson, Dylan Carlson, Alex Rodriguez, Illumination Trey Turner, Christian Javier, Spencer Howard, rookie, And a silver Ricky Henderson. Rookie class Brady Singer. So the Spencer Howard auto. Trevor Bauer. Tanner Hook, David Peterson, Ryan Withers, Jesus Sanchez, no, Madrigal, Carriera. This one that's playing at home. Maggie is acting up in the chat we're in. Illumination, Joe Adele, Salvador Perez, and an auto of Tarek Skabal. A silver Gleyber Torres and Brian Hayes. Oh. Should I tell everyone what you just said, Maggie? Andrew Vaughan, Davey Garcia, Bobby Dowbeck. I mean, I don't know what she did to get drawn into this, but Illumination, Louis Robert, Mookie Betts, a blue rookie of Yerman Mercedes, Jared Kalenic. Garrett Cole, Trevor Rogers, Travis Wankenhorn, Dingers, Chaz Chisholm, Jose Altuve, Michael Brantley, a blue Kettle Marte, put the kettle on Maggie, Sluggers Juan Soto. Again, we're going to have words about that Panini. About 7 packs to go. Why does this feel like it takes longer than 3 boxes of Prizm Hobby? Like basketball. You notice that? Logan Gilbert. Pardon? Clark Schmidt, I meant basketball. Joe Adele, rookie. First one of those for the Angels. Cal Ripken, Harvey Baez, Josh Bell, Fearless. Xander Bogaerts, Corey Seager, Red Mojo. That is numbered 47-149. Red Andre Scrub. Stargazing of Jose Ramirez. Evan White, Grayson's son. Miguel Ujura. Old school Bob Gibson, Louis Castillo. Nice silver auto. Sorry, it's not silver. It's blue to just 50. Okay, Ryan Mountcastle. Nice one there for Baltimore. Baltimore Orioles. Mark McGuire silver. Dingers. And Jason Dominguez emergent silver. Nice. Whoa. Jungle Life. Joey Bart. Edward Olivares. Alex Kirilloff. Raf Devers Fearless. Dustin May. A blue George Brett. Aaron Judge Fireworks. 3 spots left in NT, guys. It's happening straight after we get this break all sorted out. Tabby Life. He's far away from nowhere. Jeffers, Ruiz, Crochet. Oh, another snaky coming up. Albert Abreu, Monty Harrison, Jorge Mamaleos. Old school Sandy Koufax, Dalton Varsho. And a rookie for Baltimore, Jemiah Jones. Number 25 of 50. It is the Snakeskin. Jim Thome and championship stage of Corey Seager. 2 packs to go. 2 spots left in NT, guys. Oh, Jesus, that sounded terrible. That hurt. Andy Young. Louis Patino. Fearless Garrett Cole, Hyunjin Ryu. Dane Dunning, Blue Wave. That is numbered 41 of 60. Red Jesus Sanchez, Juan Soto, Lumber Inc. Final pack. Can we finally see a 101? No. Garcia. Espinal. Taylor Trammell. Sixer Sanchez. William Contreras. Luis Gonzalez. Braxton Garrett. Illumination of Jose Ramirez. Kirby Puckett. A blue unnumbered illumination of Randy Arozarena. And a stargazing of Freddie Freeman. And that is that for Prizm 2984.